Ma Lai Gao originated in Malaysia and was inspired by British cakes. Later, it was adapted by Cantonese chefs and become what we see in dim sum today. Traditionally, Ma Lai Gao needs about 24 hours to prepare. Today, I'd like to show you a quick and easy way to make Ma Lai Gao without sacrificing the taste or the texture. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 eggs. Pour in the evaporated milk and avocado oil. You can also replace it with other cooking oil. Whisk. Add the dark brown sugar and mix until dissolved. Sift in the all-purpose flour. Add salt. Add the instant yeast. Whisk. Cover it up. Here's a cooking tip. To speed up the fermentation and resting time, preheat an oven to the lowest temperature setting for 1 minute, and then turn it off. Place a pot of boiling water on the bottom rack. Also put the batter in the middle rack. Close the oven door. The temperature inside the oven is about 95 degrees Fahrenheit. You could skip this part if you live in a hot and humid place. Ferment the batter until bubbles are shown on the surface for about 1 hour. Sift baking powder and baking soda into the batter. This is an 8-inch bamboo steamer or any heat-proof container. Place parchment paper over it. I'm using 2 layers because my parchment paper feels a bit thin. Usually 1 layer will do just fine. You can also trim off the edges. Then pour the batter into the parchment-lined bamboo steamer. We're also going to cover the steamer's lid with a kitchen towel to prevent water droplets. In a large pot of water over high heat, bring it to a boil. Then over medium-high heat, place the steamer on top and cover the lid. Steam for about 30 minutes or until they are completely cooked through, depending on the size of your containers, and the toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. This is absolutely amazing. It is really soft, fluffy, and bouncy. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. Also click on the little bell button so you get notifications of my new recipes. I will see you again soon. Bye!